Okay, the expressions I can build in Excel go from the very simple to the extremely complex. This is why we might end up with expressions like equals 3 plus 5 times 4 divided by 2. Okay, when we hit enter, we will process, or Excel will process, the result of this expression, which will always be what we have entered in Excel. So if we see the result of this expression that we have just entered just quickly, we see that 3 plus 5 times 4 divided by 2 gives exactly 13. If we consider that the multiplication and division operation is carried out before the sum operation, because if we were doing it in sequence, 5 times 3 equals 15, times 4 equals 60, 2 equals 30, we would not get 13. Okay, because Excel does not process expressions correlatively from left to right or anything like that. It does so according to a hierarchy. The hierarchy in the case of additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions is that the multiplications and divisions will always be carried out before the additions and subtractions. And within the multiplications and divisions, these will additionally be carried out from left to right. In this case, yes, so we see that here we have three operations: addition, multiplication, and division. We have said that the order of priority is multiplication and division first. These operations will be carried out first. The first operation that will be carried out is 5 for equals 20 and 202 equals 10. So the correct processing by Excel of this expression is 5 times 4 equals 20, 2 equals 10, and all this 3 plus the result. 3 plus 10 equals 13. If we wanted to alter the order in which a particular expression is processed, like for example here, if we wanted 3 plus 5 to be the first operation that was carried out, I would have to alter the order through the use of brackets. By doing this, we have the ability to modify the expression simply by clicking on the expressions bar. In the position where I am going to enter, for example, a pair of brackets is very useful. Here, just before the 3, I tell it I open brackets, and after the give, I close brackets. Okay, in this case I'll do, firstly, the brackets will force me to carry out 3 plus 5 prior to, which will be 8, and then 8 times 4 equals 32, 2 equals 16. Okay, the result of processing this expression logically when I hit enter should be this value that we have just mentioned.